everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. We are back again with the technical analysis on US dollar index. We have seen dollar pumping really hard for past few months, rallying really hard. This major trend line that was supporting the uptrend has now been broken. It's several times retest 1, 2, 3, and the fourth time it breaks down. So what's next? We have reached a major supply zone on this chart. Here you go, the supply zone, and we just touched it and bounced off it. So what we are looking for it next week, we would like to see dollar pumping into the trend line, rejecting off of it, and coming back down. This is we probably a bullish week next. We will have a bullish week next one. Let's look at the volume profile. Stretch from here to there. We are around the POC. That's really good. And POC has been moving up since this uptrend, and we would likely to see POC if we want to see that dollar trend up again. We would like to see POC shifting it up here to this level. So there's possible scenario the dollar starts to pump, break the zone, consolidates for a while, and run up again. So we have two possibilities. So if we are around the POC, we could probably do some range bound days around here, then starts to fly up. So it's maybe dollar will continue its uptrend. Who knows? Okay, let's look at the ES, S&P 500 chart. Let me clear the chart first. Okay, look at this on the daily time frame. So we are in a small uptrend. Here we go. Here we go. We are in a small uptrend here. And probably a supply zone around here. We have been rejected really hard before. We haven't reached this level yet. So we have been consolidating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Market has no clear move up or down. So we would like to see the price reach this supply zone first. Reach the supply zone first and take its reaction. That would be probably bearish because dollar is likely to pump. So here we go. So moving to the lower time frame, not much there, just consolidation. And look at this. This is the price imbalance we are looking for. So price would tend to complete this imbalance area and then fall. We have to wait for the price to reach this area and fall back. So now the uptrend, this looks like an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the POC, it's down there. So not enough volume upside. Buyers not accepting this area. We will probably push into this area and reject from it. That's definitely going to happen. And here we go, the trend line. This is the trend line supporting the uptrend here. So just near POC coincides with the trend line. We would likely to see price coming here first, then we can say something. How the price reacts here. If it just touches it and bounce up, we will probably break the zone and retest it and start an uptrend, continue the uptrend. So market is looking really bullish right now. We would see what happened on Monday. Let's look at the nasdaq 100. So first of all, put all the drawings here. We have formed a double bottom here, double bottom formed here, and price starting to move up really hard. We have broken this trend line. Oh, really good. And this is the supply zone that was there. We go. We have a supply zone here. So here we go. We got this. we got a supply zone here. Price rejected two times from here. Now this one time, two times. Now we would like to see the price bounce off this now flipping the resistance into support, and it can just fly up to the next resistance. The next resistance would be this price imbalance here. There's a huge price imbalance. Here we go. This is a huge price imbalance that needs to be filled. Buy side liquidity here. You could probably long it on Monday from here. It's a really good. The tight SL targeting this, taking some profit here, and leaving the other for running. It's a really good 4.6 to reward trade. Nasdaq would probably pump here. Let's look at Dow Jones, US30. So here we go. We have been in this descending channel for a long time, since January 1st January around, and every time we hit this resistance we fall. Okay, every time, just price rallies into this and we falls. Rallies, falls, rallies here, but this time it's different. We didn't fall. We are consolidating above this resistance area, and the major supply zone is around here. Look at this. We have reached this supply zone. What we are gonna think? We are gonna just test the supply zone full into this zone and then just fall back. As we know, dollar is going to pump after a few days to test the trend line or maybe continue its trend. Then probably USSTOCKMARKET would also fall really hard. So this is an uptrend for the USSTOCKMARKET. For our chart, it's really looking like an uptrend. Okay, this is a really good uptrend. Really good uptrend. So we can really just pump from here really hard. Who knows? This is gonna be good. So what we have to do here? We have to wait for a rejection, clear rejection on 4 hour to get our short entry, probably somewhere around here, and SL just above the supply zone, and targeting this demands down there for our first target. And then we can target the price imbalance around here. That's a 1 to 30 to reward trade. That is gonna be awesome. So we have to look for the price to reach this area first, reject off of it completely, taking this trend line and entering a short here on confirmation, and if dollar is pumping, USSTOCKMARKET is gonna fall. So we have to wait and see what's happened on Monday. Likelihood of short is 80%. Would like to see it's entering the zone and just dumping hard. Would be a really good trade. Even if you enter here or here, it would be a really awesome trade. If this is a rejection candle, we can put the SL just here and we can have some fun, because of this area where we rejected really hard previously. We were rallying, and then dump. The bears were in control. Now the bulls are in control here, but as we see, the bulls are losing stream. Look at the volume profile. They are losing stream. Yeah, you can see a decline in volume as we are approaching this. So no one is accepting this area. You can look at those wicks. You can clearly see it. Now you can see this. These wicks. This is indecision. Not accepting by the buyers or the sellers. Not much to say about here. We will have to wait a few more days to market to completely show its direction. But I'm bearish on it. I would like to add some short here as the price reaches and reject from here. Then we are gonna ride that short really hard to the downside. This happens all the times.